Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to interact with copper golems in Minecraft. While these charming automatons captured many hearts, they were a concept from a community vote and are not a standard part of the game. The only way to bring them into your world is by using special community-created additions. We will explore how to find and implement these unique modifications to enjoy the copper golem experience. To add copper golems, you will need to install a mod or data pack. First, find a reputable source for these community creations, ensuring it matches your Minecraft version. Always check reviews and download from trusted sites. Once downloaded, carefully follow the installation guide provided with the content. This usually involves placing files into specific folders within your Minecraft directory, allowing you to then activate them in your game settings. Once in your world, copper golems are small, passive utility mobs. They are known for their unique interaction with copper buttons, which they will randomly press, activating any connected redstone. A fascinating aspect is their oxidation process. Over time, their copper bodies will gradually turn green. This change is purely visual and does not affect their button-pressing abilities, adding a dynamic element to their presence. Copper golems offer more than just a cute face. They provide unique redstone automation, randomly activating circuits. Their charming design, coupled with the realistic oxidation effect, makes them a delightful addition to any build. Even though they are not officially in the game, their presence through community content allows players to experience a beloved concept, adding a special touch to their Minecraft adventures.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.